Hey folks, it's Ron here again with Off-Road Tracks, another little tutorial for you. We just got done talking about one of the programs here, which is Locus Maps. I'm going to take a look at another one for you to show you some similarities, but in this case, why I like to use this program for tracking, but I don't care for it as much in navigation, and that is the BackCountry Navigator by Caltopo. And I'm going to show you how it works and at least for the Android, why I think there are other programs that work better for imports. So we're going to go ahead and open that, and we are going to show you how to import. So there's a couple different places you can do this. You can go right on up to the menu here, or you can do that through the trip data function. So let me show you one of those right now. It works the same way. We're going to click on trip data, and then notice right here we've got the import tracks. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and what we've got to do now is we've got to find where we stored these. The thing that I don't find is useful about this particular program is that we don't have a connection here to anything outside of this particular device, so we would have had to load all these files on, which I have done. And so here are all the files. So I would pick one of these, and I could go ahead and let me just pick one, for example. It doesn't really matter. I'll pick this one, Land Between the Lakes. And then we can start the import, as you can see right here, this button. And we're going to go ahead and do that, start the import. And so it is importing that data. Now, if we want to see that particular track, we can again go up to the menu here. We can do a view of all of the tracks and waypoints. I'm talking about this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then I will go ahead and click also up here on the tracks button. Tracks will then show me a list of all of these different areas. Once I find, you can see I've got a lot of them here. Some are named, some are not, but I'm going to go ahead and find one. And then once I find one that I'm interested in, I'll click on it, and up in the corner here, this three dots will give us the option to center on that particular point. So there we go. As it's done, it is located our track file. It's centered on that track file. We can then zoom in and out. We can follow this on our device, on our GPS device. So you see it works very well, but that's how you would import your track file into, again, this program called BackCountry Navigator, and then how you would show it on a screen. So that's BackCountry Navigator, folks. For tracking, this works very well, and we'll of course do another tutorial on how to use these programs to track and record and export files, but this one was on import, so hopefully that helps everybody. Hope you have a great day, and we'll catch you on the trail soon. Take care.